Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up parental control on OPPO Reno 12 Pro. You have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Children and Family and then click on Parental Controls, then click Get Started and then select Child or Teenager. Now click Next and click on Add or Create Account for your child and then select Google. Now you have to enter your email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your password. And click I agree. Now click on More and Accept. And here you have to choose your account. Now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down. And here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. And here you have to scroll all the way down and click Next again. Now click Next, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip and then click Skip again and click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.